Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. I hope that you all are having an amazing day. It's Friday and it's Super Bowl weekend, so I know that everybody's excited. I know I'm hoping that the Kansas City Chiefs win. I think they're gonna win though. So anyway, today's video, guys, is about decorating a lantern. Decorate a Lantern is an open collaboration and is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The guest host today is At Home with Lisa. Now, there are some co-hosts. They are Design with Emma, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Mabel's Tables, Creations by Simone, Debbie Bubbles, Jean Home Decor and More, myself, Sandy's Home and Garden, and Sasu Glam Style Living. Okay, so the hashtag is Decorate a Lantern 24. So if you like decorating lanterns, this is the perfect venue for you. You know, we do have one requirement and we practice YouTube etiquette, and that is you click on that hashtag and you watch all of the co-content creators and their contribution to decorate a lantern, and you will have get some amazing ideas. Now, some of these ladies, you know, they are really great crafters. Me, not so much. So I accept these as challenges. So, you know, I just have fun doing it. And so I'm going to show you how I decorated my lantern. So, but first I want to just kind of show you some of the things that I use. I bought this buffalo check red and black wide ribbon from Michael's. You know, they had a sale for Valentine's. Their Valentine's decor was wiped out by the time, you know, I got there. But I was able to find this, and I got this on sale, as well as this garland. I got this on sale as well. And then I got this little ribbon here, and I can use this. You know, I'm thinking that I could perhaps use this maybe at Christmas time or next Valentine's Day, okay? Then these little hearts, I had these last year, and I believe I used them on a tablescape, okay? So I got those little things there. So I had actually guys, I only have one lantern. No, I have two. But one you can't really decorate. I got it from home, from QVC, so you can't decorate that one. But I did have one lantern that you can decorate, which I pulled, you know, from out in my morning room area. Cleaned it all up. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to let you see how I decorated my lantern. So keep watching. Okay, so because this is taking a little bit of time, I'm putting together this bow. I'm going to take you off the camera while I put together a few more, okay? Keep watching. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so here's where I am so far. So I tied one ribbon. What I did is with the extra, you know, the extra piece, I tied it around the handle. So I'm going to do one on this side. So that's where I am. Okay, so here's the next bow, and as you can see how I did this. So what I did is I kind of went around like that, tying it real tight. Okay, I might go around twice. Okay, and then I'm going to fishtail this in, and then I'm going to take this in and kind of wrap it around this other side of the handle, okay? Keep watching. All right, so guys, I have them both on, so I just want to kind of shape them up. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, how I want this to turn out. I'm going to have to I'm trying to shape them up a little bit. And I'm doing a little something, guys. I think I might do one more right here. I'm not sure yet. Okay, because I still have this ribbon. But this is what we're looking like so far with a little bit on the top. All right, guys, so this is what I've come up with so far. So I put some ribbon up at the top. Try to shape that up a little bit. So I did another little ribbon in between. I hung my hearts up. Hung those up, put one little heart up here, and then I put my little garland around the bottom. I had it a little wider at first, but then I said I didn't like that. So that's that. And so now I think I'm going to take these little hearts that I got from, some of these I got from Walmart. So I'm just going to kind of pop some of these around the bottom. And I have a little bit more. That's where we are. Now the trick is I'm gonna have to take this candle out and light it up. So, all right, everyone, here is my decorated lantern. Not too bad for a novice. Okay, so I was quite lucky to go into Michael's and find this buffalo check style red and black wired ribbon, okay? Because Michael's, they were pretty much depleted of Valentine's decor when I got there. But in any event, I made some bows and I adhered one, I wrapped one around this side of the handle, this side of the handle. Then I made a bow with this ribbon and I took this string and I hot glued it to this ribbon. And to cover that up, I made another bow on the top, okay? So that's how I managed to pull that off. And then my hanging hearts, I also, like I mentioned, got these from Michael's. And I just hooked those onto the door. Now these hearts here, these are pretty. I got these from Walmart. Well, I want to say maybe January, I got those. And now these little iridescent hearts, I've had these for quite some time. And some of these are kind of cute because they have little bows on them, okay? So I had these, quite some time. I used them in a tablescape last year for Valentine's Day. Now this garland here, I just wrapped it around the LED candle and line the bottom of the lantern. So I thought that turned out pretty good. And I was lucky to find this red LED candle from the Dollar Tree because that was the last one they had. So I said it was meant for me to decorate this lantern. So I thought that turned out pretty good for a novice. I thought that turned out quite well. So look, if you guys like these types of videos, please give me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Drop a comment down in the comment box below and subscribe to my channel. I would really love you to join the family of friends of Jean Home Decor and more. Also, please do not forget to click on that hashtag and look at all of the other the hosts and the co-hosts and their contributions to decorate a lantern. I'm sure you will get some amazing ideas for you if you have your own lantern and you would like to decorate it. I hope that you all have an amazing weekend. This is Super Bowl weekend. Have some fun, have some snacks. And until the next time, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.